In this video, I will show you how to verify email address on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and log in if you have not already. Then go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile. And once you're on your profile page, click on the menu icon in the top right corner and then select Settings and Privacy from the list. Now on the Settings menu, you will see this account option at the very top. Click on it. Under Account section, you will see Account Information. Click on it. And here you can see Email option. If you have not linked an email yet, tap on Email to add your email address. Here you will see a field where you can add your email address. So type in your email address and then click on Send Code. Then what you have to do is go to your email inbox and look for a verification code that TikTok has sent you. It should arrive in few seconds. Now once you have the code, return to the TikTok app and enter the 6-digit verification code and hit verify. And once the code is confirmed, your email will be officially verified and you will see a confirmation message that your email has been successfully linked to your account.